Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to withdraw funds from Fanduel to Cash App. So make sure to watch the video till the very end. And let's begin. If you have won some money on Fanduel and want to withdraw it to your Cash App, follow these steps. First, launch the Cash App on your preferred device and sign into your account. Scroll through the options and locate Services. Tap on it to proceed. Within the Services menu, look for the Withdraw option and tap on it. Under the Withdraw section, you should see a list of available withdrawal options. Find and tap on Fanduel to proceed. You will be prompted to enter your Fanduel account number and password. Provide this information accurately, and once you've entered your Fanduel account details, tap on the Withdraw button to initiate the withdrawal process. Before finalizing the withdrawal, review all the information related to your transaction. Ensure that everything is accurate as expected. So if everything looks correct, tap on the Submit button to confirm your withdrawal request. So that's basically how you can withdraw funds from Fanduel to Cash App. So that's all for this video. Hope you liked the video. Thanks.